queen.
The queen. Welcome to my channel. This is Ruralafricanshop. So today I'm going to make these shoes that I'm showing right here. And these are like came out last year and they were like really expensive. So I really liked them. So I had to make them for myself. So you're going to need tape measures. Like I have a lot of tape measures. And you're going to need scissors, glue. That's all you need. And you're going to need the shoes, of course. You're gonna need the shoes. I cannot walk in the shoes. Like I don't even know why I bought them. They're not even cute. I don't know why, but it's what it is. So we're gonna just use them. And if you want them, you can just ask me for them. I'll ship them to you. I only wore them once, and I can't even really walk in them anyway. Shit, my knees hurts. So you're gonna get a razor blade or scissors, something sharp to just take off the fur so that we can have a neat and nice place to work on. And be careful, guys, because this can even cut you because it's really sharp. Clean your area, make sure it's neat and clean. So this is how it looks inside. It's even way better without the fur. They be doing too much. You're gonna do the same thing to the other shoe and keep going around like that. Just like so. And it's February. Happy Valentine's to everyone. And oh God, thank you to my new subscribers. I got like 84 subscribers. Thank you so much. And I appreciate you all. Thank you for the love. So you're going to poke holes on the side so that you can stick in the measuring tape and the glue so that your shoe can be secure. I'm just using the tool that I use for my sewing machine if I'm changing the oil or whatever. So you can use whatever you can use. You can use a knife. It's just to make a little opening. Nothing major. You're gonna go around the shoe like that. Just make sure you open like in a big English. just make sure that you open like a huge space enough for the measuring tape to go in without no struggle. My voice is like kind of like I don't know. So I'm thinking of just like taking that extra line off because I don't feel like I need it that side. So I'm just gonna take that off and I'm gonna do that to the other shoe too. So like I feel like it's unnecessary and it's going to give me like too much work. It's gonna even make the shoe look too busy, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm just gonna cut it off because really it's unnecessary. Like I said, happy Valentine's Day to everyone, and thank you for my new subscribers. I really appreciate you, and I cannot thank you enough because the love that you're showing me, it's amazing. And how other people were open enough to share in my comments on my last video about how they felt, how they dealt with their loss and all that stuff. I thank you so much, and I'll just say thank you. So I'm just gonna cut it off. Be careful because this razor blade is like hell sent. So it might cut you. And keep going around like so. I don't know why it was like right here it was so difficult. My voice is like I think I'm getting sick. It hurts a little bit when I talk. That's why it's like like that. Sorry if you're listening on your headphones. I didn't mean to do that. But I don't know how to explain it in English, so it's kind of like how can I say it? Jesus is Lord. I can't think of a word. So I'm not happy today because I just woke up. So and like I think I'm getting done with the flu or something. It's not coronavirus, it's just flu. That took forever. Anywho, whew, finally. So you're just gonna cut it off too, because they just sawed it and glued a little bit of the band to the shoe so it can be sturdy. But no big deal. It's gonna get done regardless. So now I think it looks way better, and it's nicer now, and I think one was cut off. I don't know why. Maybe when I was doing a watch. I'll put the link down below where I did a measuring tape watch so you can go see the video. So you're gonna measure your shoe like that, like so, and then do another one like so, just like that. It's so easy, so because it's just glue and tape and shoe. That's all you need. See how I told you, like make them holes bigger, just like that. So make sure you leave like enough space to tuck it in your shoe, because you don't want to cut it even with the shoe, because it needs to go in so that it looks neat. It look like you just bought this from the store. Doesn't have to look like a DIY. This glue is like the best. So it's like Gorilla glue but super glue at the same time, so it dries so fast. You know how Gorilla glue used to like take days, and you had to put stuff on top of it to like hold it to make it stay longer and stuff. So this one is just like super glue. You just have to like open it and close it, and you have to make sure you work fast, because if it dries, God, it dries. You will not be able to cut this. You have to cut it out if it dries without you putting the tape in there. So this is how the shoe's gonna look after it's done. But let's go back to this tutorial. Yep. You're gonna keep going around like so, tucking it in, like find something to tuck the tape measure in. So I'm just gonna use the same tool that I've been using. Make sure it's all tucked in, because you don't want this shoe to like come off when you're walking or trying to do your thing on the road, girl. You're gonna keep going around like so. So to secure my band, I'm just gonna apply more glue on top of the shoelace that's already there. I forgot. Make sure you close this fast, very fast, because it will get stuck together. And I get this glue from Walmart, and it's cheaper at Walmart. That's why. Make sure it's aligned and it's really looking cute. I like after I finished and took pictures of these shoes, I saw that I put my tape upside down, and I mean, I think it was because what threw me off was that I was filming, so I thought in the on the tape it looked good, but when I took pictures, I was like, hold up, this is upside down, and my sis told me too that this is upside. Do you know your tape measure is upside down? I was like, I just noticed that, and I told her I was just making a video, so there's nothing I can do about it. They still look cute though, and I'm still gonna be like, give them to somebody. If you want them again, just comment down below. I'll just send them to you. You can pay shipping. I'll just send them to you. I only wore them once. That's why they look like that dirty under. And I didn't even wear them for a long time. I was just wearing them to like take photos. Because I think I made an umbrella and some red pants. So I was like trying to take a picture with them. in those shoes. So if you feel like it's not enough glue, make sure you add more. But this can be messy and sticky. Like I can't tell you how my hands were so sticky. If I was done with this, I wish I had maybe like had like gloves or something, because my hands were so sticky, and I don't even think I have fingerprints anymore. Because I think this glue peeled them off. Because it dries so fast in your hands. So remember to like glue on the shoelace so that your tape measure will stay together with the shoelace. We just gonna take a break. And I'm just gonna my cousin from Botswana is one of in Kasane. So big up to him. So we're gonna go ahead and before, and he does like videography, he does photos for weddings, birthdays, everything, you name it. He is so talented, and believe me, you won't be disappointed by his work. So I'll also like tag him down below, and if you are interested, you could just go ahead and ask him for his services. He is a good photographer. He's really good at what he does. I guess it's talent. It runs in the family. What can I say? So you're gonna go ahead and continue like applying like how you did on the first lace of the shoe, and go all over the shoe with the tape measure. It's all about measuring. Since we're using measuring tape. Like I said, thank you to my new subscribers and thank you to my day one subscribers who have always been there. Even when I didn't make videos, even when I was low, they have always been there. They kept watching my content. They didn't unsubscribe. They didn't unsubscribe. I said unsubscribe. They didn't unsubscribe. They stayed true to the channel, and I really appreciate that. Thank you for that. I really appreciate it. I cannot say how much I appreciate it. It's beyond love. It's it's awesome. It feels good to know that there's like people out there who just waiting for you to post something, show them how to do something. I mean, you could went to another channels because we all do the same thing here, but you stayed true to my channel and still stayed on the channel, didn't unsubscribe or anything. So I really appreciate you and thank you. So you're going to like have to trim the lace because the you want it to fit through that little hole on the back of the shoe. So it's gonna look like that. We still have the numbers because that's what makes this shoe so beautiful. It's the measuring tape numbers. We're almost done. So you're gonna add more glue. Like this was like most of the hardest part because it was like hard to try and open that little space in the back. But I managed to open some space. So take your time if you're going to make this shoe and be patient because you're going to need patience and juices because that glue is not playing. Serious glue. So you like right now you are really done with this other shoe. So all you have to do is just put it together and just go out there and make the world your red carpet. So you're gonna go and do the other shoe the same way you did this other shoe. You're also gonna poke holes so that you can tighten your shoe to hold it in place. The same thing you did to this shoe, you're gonna go back and do to the other shoe, so they can be identical. Yes, honey, yes. It looks good. I won't lie, even though I'm the one saying it, but it looks amazing. Wow. Mm-hmm. If you want to be fancy, you can just go and paint it red under so it can be red bottoms. So you're done, and then you're just gonna do the same to the other shoe, like I said. So thank you again, and please subscribe. And this is like the pictures. Thank you.